Hi guys, Judy Fine here. I have a new vocal workout for you. It's a staccato exercise. If you've never done staccato exercises, you need to add staccatos to your workout routine. If you don't have a workout routine, you need a workout routine. I tried to make that really easy for folks by making the Singer Athlete online membership. You can join at onlinewithjudyfine.com. You go to the playlists, you pick a playlist, you hit play, you sing along, workout done. You should be doing some kind of workout. Check it out. Meanwhile, though, I'm going to introduce you to staccato exercises. They are the best strength builders and stamina builders. They should be in your vocal routine, so check out this video. Okay, so what is a staccato exercise? Staccato is a musical term. It just means short and separated. So you're going to sing notes that are short and separated. There's going to be space between each two notes that you sing, or at least that's your goal. And as you work on your staccato exercises, you want the space to get bigger and the sound to get smaller. It's going to be like this. I'm going to let you hear it, and then I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it. It's all on an ah, and it's like this. Ah, 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 ah. Let me do it right. Ah, 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 ah. Okay? Short, separated notes. Notice I'm keeping my body strong. I don't know if you can tell that from there, but I am. I'm keeping my jaw still. I'm not putting any H's on it. Ah, 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 ah. Not only is this a great strength building exercise and stamina building exercise, but it gives you an opportunity to allow yourself to come into a note from your chest voice or from your head voice when it gets higher and switch back and forth because the notes aren't connected. So you have like a split second in between notes to reset and come to a note from wherever it needs to come from. One more time, I'm going to show you and then I'm going to walk you through it. Now once you do this exercise a few times, you may find, especially if you've never done a staccato exercises, that you start to get tired. And by the time you get to the end of the little bit that I'm going to do for you, it might start to drag together. I'm going to do just a short version of this exercise so that new people can get through it once to practice it, and you're probably going to get tired. Once you get better at it, once you can get through the whole thing and you're not tired, you should go back to the beginning of the workout portion of this and do it again. And if you can do it as much as 3 times, eventually even better. So here's what you're going to remember. Strong core, no H's, no jaw movements. It's kind of like you're trying to be a ventriloquist, okay? I'm going to start down here, guys here, females here. We're going to go up and down the keyboard once and do your best to keep the sounds short and not running together. Strong body, relaxed jaw. No H's in the beginning. Keep going without me, no H's. You want to create space between your notes. Gonna go up again. Not singing with your face, not singing with your jaw. Getting all your strength from your core. Keep going. Last one. Good. If you don't feel too tired to continue, go back to the beginning of the exercise portion and do it again. Make staccatos part of your regular workout routine. Go to onlinewithjudyfine.com to check out more stuff, like my videos, subscribe to my channel, yada, yada, yada. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.